This is how you add a digital product like an ebook, step by step on StanStore. Now, before you do anything on StanStore, you first need to create a digital product. I already have one ready on Canva. Canva is the free website that you can use to create any sort of digital product. Then you're gonna head over back to StanStore, click on My Store, and then you're gonna click on Add Product. Now, there's many different kinds of products and services that you can add on StanStore, but what we're looking for is a digital product. So you're gonna click on the top right, digital product. Now we're gonna be editing a few things on here. So we're gonna be editing a picture. So you can search a picture inside of the StanStore database. So I'm adding a faceless guide. So you can search faceless work. And these are you can use any of these pictures. But I wanted to use a picture that I already had. So I uploaded from my laptop and I added that. And then we're gonna add a title and a subtitle. You can edit these out. For title, I kept the Ultimate Faceless Guide. For subtitle, a little bit of description of what's inside of the guide. You can change the button as well. You can keep it download now or access now or look inside, check it out, whatever you want. I kept it download now. And from there, you can also pick a style. I keep it call out. But you can switch it around. Then from there, you're gonna go to the checkout page. This is also where you can add another picture. So I already had one in my laptop, so I decided to use this one. Then you can change the name over here as well, the Ultimate Faceless Guide. And then we're gonna change everything that's underneath. You're gonna edit those out. So I decided to add a little bit of description in the beginning. This is just for an example. And from there, I wanted to add what's inside of the guide that they're gonna be learning. So before they purchase, they wanna make sure they need to know what actually they're gonna be learning. So I already had some content. So I went back to the Canva, copied and pasted, back on StanStore. And from there, you can add a couple extra things on here too. I also wanted to add my refund policy since it's a digital product, and then also my information. So if somebody wants to reach out to me, they can reach out directly to my email. And then you can play around with the button title as well. You can change it up however you like it. Get my guide, download now, and then we're gonna change the price. So if you're running a specific discount for a weekend, let's say, you can do that, or you can just keep it discounted price at all the time. The next important step is adding the link of the actual ebook. So you're gonna request a link, the template link. Make sure you request a template link and copy and paste so they get a link, and then they can use this as a template to create a new copy of this. There are two options, upload file or redirect link. If it was a PDF, I would have done upload file, but since I'm redirecting them to a different Canva link, I'm gonna do redirect link. And then you're gonna go on options from there. And this is how the default email will look like when somebody purchases from you. So you can still edit this out. You already have a link that you added earlier, so they're gonna receive that link in that email. But you can also change that name if you wanna do a more personal touch. Or I also added that if they wanna reach out to me, you can reach out to me with the email. And then you click publish and it's published now. And I can click on top right to see the website and actually how it looks like. And then you can see it's right at the bottom, and then I click download now, and I can see how a customer will see when they're scrolling through. And as you can see, they can just make the purchase right from here. And if you don't have a StanStore yet, you can click on my 14-day free trial that I have on the bottom of my website. And then from there, it'll take you to the page and you can sign up from there. It is super convenient to use. You can also try these different styles, different designs, and it's very convenient. Like, you don't have to do anything. Just upload your photo or your products, and then you can try the different styles. I personally like this black kind of vibe. So I hope you guys found that helpful.